The Director of Criminal Investigations, George Kinoti, has admitted that all is not well between his office and that of the Director of Public Prosecutions.
Kinoti told the nation that his officers feel frustrated that some of the cases they have diligently investigated fail to get prosecuted.
Now, the two offices are meant to be on the same side, fighting a common enemy, that is crime, but they seem to have turned their guns on one another.
And they clash openly in court regarding the corruption case against the Kenya Ports Authority Managing Director Daniel Manduku and his co-accused.
Now, NTV's Seth Olale delves deeper into the case that has threatened to end the bromance.
For more than 2 years, the Director of Public Prosecutions, Yusuf Haji, and Director General of Criminal Investigations, George Kinoti, appear to have a perfect working relationship. They held joint press briefings and traveled abroad together to attend to official duties.
To engage the relevant authorities.
This collaboration worked well, leading to arrest and prosecution of many suspects in court, until the KPA 2.7 billion shilling scandal came along. On Tuesday, Kenya Ports Authority Managing Director Daniel Manduku was arrested alongside Kenya Revenue Authority Commissioner of Customs and Border Control Kevin Lewis Safari for unlawfully recommending the gazettement of the Nairobi Inland Cargo Terminal as a KPA facility. And this is where it all started. On January 30th, 2019, Kenya Ports Authority sought the approval of National Treasury to transfer 2.5 billion shillings of the 3 billion shillings previously set aside for buying a piece of land at the Inland Container Depot in Nairobi, and use the additional 500 million shillings for the construction of a concrete Makongeni yard. KPA MD Daniel Manduku had already awarded and paid tenders for the Makongeni works to 9 contractors. The payments were split into smaller portions to avoid legal requirements of tendering for capital projects and to instead disguise the project as repair works. The 9 bills of quantities worth over $500 million shillings for the tenders were reportedly prepared by Anthony Muhanji, a senior works officer at the Kenya Ports Authority. It later emerged that Kenya Railways Corporation owns the land on which the Makongeni works was going on. Kenya Railways also stated that it did not enter into a lease agreement with KPA. Investigators termed the entire project as wastage of public resources. In yet another Nairobi Inland Cargo Terminal scandal, detectives are investigating how senior officials from KPA and the Kenya Revenue Authority awarded tenders to 2 companies, Michelle Courts and Nairobi Inland Container Terminal NICT, for cargo storage and clearance at the Inland Depot. Several senior KRA and KPA staff, led by Managing Director Daniel Manduku, have already recorded statements at the Directorate of Criminal Investigations headquarters in regards to the Nairobi Inland Container Terminal scandal. However, the Director of Public Prosecution is yet to effect the arrest and prosecution of the suspects. Seth Olale, NTV, Nairobi.